Looking here at number 3, it says a bricklayer charges $8 per square foot to lay a patio. How much would it cost for a bricklayer to lay a 12-foot by 16-foot patio? So here's the deal. We essentially are trying to find the area here of this 12 by 16 foot patio, so 12 by 16, all right? And then we know that every square foot is going to cost $8. So once we find this answer, we can go ahead and multiply by 8 to find out the total cost. So let's start right off looking at this multiplication problem here. So when you're finding area for a rectangle, and this one is a 12 by 16, you just multiply length times width. So in this case, we go ahead and do this 12 times 16. So let's take a look at what that is. 12 times 16. And you do have to do this by hand because, well, there's no calculator. So 6 times 2 is 12. Here's the 1. 6 times 1 is 6. Plus 1 is 7. 1, well, we got to bring down 0. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 1 is 1. And we're looking at, it looks like 192. Now remember, we still have to multiply that by the 8. But at this point, I'm going to take a minute and take a second and look. If I'm doing 192, that's almost $200. And multiplying $200 by 8 would give me what? Well, 8 times 200 would just be $1,600. Now, if I'm looking at my answers, there's only one that's even close to that, and it's D, because 960 seem higher than these two, but it's only half. So I'm going to feel pretty confident, this being this close and this being that close to 200, that my final answer is going to be D, 1,536.